battery life is average and will last about a day, depending on your usage. Quick Charge 3.0 can fill up the V20 to 100% in just over an hour. Wide-angle shots aside, the unique camera features don't live up to the hype. The LG V20 comes with a 3,200 mAh removable battery, which is a smidge bigger than the one found in the V10 and the LG G4. Equipped with Nougat's enhanced doze mode, we found that this phone more efficiently discharges throughout the day in your pocket than a phone running on Android Marshmallow, which only dozes at night. We tested the V20's battery drain rate by utilizing the phone's normal features along with its noteworthy ones, like the second screen, hi-fi sound mode and its cameras. At most, the V20 lasts well over a day with mixed use. But if you're really going hard with photo and video taking, listening to high-res audio tracks and playing games, the V20, like any modern smartphone, will suffer more quickly. For example, our 90-minute HD video test drained the battery down to 71% with hi-fi audio mode switched on. On the flip side, if you leave it sitting, this phone easily lasts a few days without needing a charge. But when it's in need of one, Quick Charge 3.0 support helps it get back on its feet quickly. After we zeroed out the V20's battery, it only took a half hour to bring it up to the 50% mark. But it took around 80 minutes to fill the battery completely.